Once you have entered in the information on the setup page and click save, you'll be directed to the budget page. The budget page where you can enter in the reference ET, rainfall for your field, and how much water you apply to your field. KanSched3 will automatically calculate the crop ET, soil water in percentage and in inches, the root zone water deficit, and effective rain. You can use the Kansas State University Mesonet or a GMD weather station closest to your field to find the reference ET for a particular day. You can also use the Kansas Mesonet or GMD weather station closest to your field to get rainfall data, or if you have a rain gauge on your field yourself. Again, gross irrigation is how much water you apply to your field that particular day. Generally speaking, we won't be dealing with the soil water percentage column too much, as this is calculated from the initial soil water percentage that we use in the setup page. However, it is recommended throughout the growing season to check the soil water percentage to make sure that what KanSched is showing on the calculated side here is actually what you're seeing in the field. To enter a reference ET, you can use the up and down arrow keys, or you can click and drag and highlight the numbers and use your keyboard to enter in the data. For example, I'll say the reference ET on May 4th was 0.25. I'll go ahead and click out, where then the crop ET is automatically calculated to 0.06. We didn't see any rainfall that day, and we didn't irrigate. On May 5th, we can say that we had some rain. It was cooler. I'll go ahead and say a reference ET was something like 0.03. I'll enter that in and click out. Crop PT was calculated, and we can see that our numbers changed here on the right. Again, we see a little rain, and a Kansas Mesonet close to my field picked up a 1/4 inch of rain. So I'll enter in 0.25 and click out. We can see on the right hand side, our soil water percentage is now 100%. Our soil water in inches is 1.10, and our effective rain is 0.21. It is recommended to update the budget page every day. In this setup page, we said our growing season was 120 days. So end of our growing season is September 1st, and that's when our budget ends at the very bottom.